The modern lifestyle can be hectic and busy every day. Relief for sore muscles can be hard to come by. This is the meaning of soft light bandage, support pulse mode. Instantly releases more energy and the penetration depth is deeper. 3-in-1 lamp beads penetrates too deeply in 30-40 mm, making it beneficial for bones, joints, and deep muscle recovery problems. Alleviates pain caused by inflammation and sports injuries. The red light therapy device can wrap your whole body, including head, neck, back, shoulders, arms, knees, hands, feet. Buy this equipment and experience painless, safe, drug-free, and natural physical pain relief solution with no negative side effect. Designed in line with human body structure, red light therapy belt fits seamlessly with the modern lifestyle. Let him take care of your daily stress and pain, and you can continue enjoying your life, whether doing a tennis match, giving a presentation at work, or doing a workout at a gym. Now you can feel great about relaxing while taking care of your well-being.